Welcome to Carl's Aquarium. Evil puppy Bailey et al. Okay, we'll just call this one fixing the furnace, getting eaten alive. Now, if you see that hermit crab, little brat wouldn't leave me alone all yesterday or today. See, of course, I'm standing. Ow! Got a little deep that time. I'm standing in the sump under my coral, well, invert, there's no coral. Starfish in here. A nice orange sponge there. Anyhow, as you guys know, I have a limited space. That's my oil tank. Okay? And then we built the room out of plastic around everything. There's the wall of my house. And of course, it's a completely uninsulated wall. Right on the other side of this block is dirt. Okay? So my spring flowering bulbs are already up because the ground's been warm for a while. And anyhow, the motor on the furnace, the belt broke. I thought, okay, fix the belt, everything's going to be fine. It wasn't. The motor was burned out. So we fixed the motor, and then today the pulley started scraping, so I just moved it over. So I'm cleaning up the last of our tools. Fritzy?
Yeah?
Here's some more tools. And the syringe full of oil, be careful with that.
What?
It's got oil in it. Don't get it on anything because it's oil. And here's some more stuff. Oh crap, where'd the lid for this go? See, we kind of just glued this room together. Now, see there, we have this nice door. I thought that was going to be fine. We're running out of battery. Okay, so basically I had to climb into the sump. The hermit crab's eating me. And we're ending this before it dies. Okay, bye. We're just making a washer for my furnace here. That's heat resistant plastic. See, we did a video where we actually climbed into the sump of my fish tank and the hermit crab was chewing on my foot and
The crab says, I got a meat.
Yeah.
I got a meat.
well, he kept coming back. Like I kept moving my foot, moving my foot. Well, that's the cutoff.
What you call that one? You make bushing?
Bushing.
Where you wanna put
I'm going to put it over the shaft to move the pulley away from the
that? Oh, it's nice. Perfectly done.
Yeah.
Master of plastic.
Master of plastic.
Craft.
Why are you holding your hands up? You've been on camera before. Everybody'd like to see you on camera better than me.
Anyway.
What you call this machine?
Lathe.
Drill?
Lathe.
Lathe?
There's the drill over there. No, that's a milling machine.
That's the post drill.
Yeah. Yeah, this is a drill. That there's a milling machine.
What's the
In the office.
That was her.
That was her.
in the office?
Yeah. Oh, that'll do.
Yeah.
Okay, finished product. We'll do a video when we put it on too. Aaron said, Dad, do a bunch of videos. We're all out. Even if it's dumb, we do a video. Okay,